Let's learn about zoo animals. Monkey. Bananas are their favorite snack. Camel. Dates and dry leaves are their favorite treat. Deer. Leaves and berries are their favorite snack. Bear. Honey is their favorite sticky snack. Giraffe. Leaves from tall trees are their favorite snack. Panda. Bamboo is their favorite crunchy snack. Tiger. Tigers love to eat meat. Elephant. Elephants love to eat grass, fruits, leaves, and roots. Lion. They love to eat meat too. So what do you like to eat, my Lil Einsteins?
Thank you for watching.